all. Right? So even if I'm doing this here, and I'm like, it's still not going to come into contact. Right? You're only going to come in contact when if it goes here and then it starts to go down. Right? Then he's going to come in and take over. Okay? Right? The idea is though, as a spotter though, a lot of guys will prematurely come in there. Nonetheless, but they will outright mess up someone because the person will be here really working out and getting that strength, and the person will come in and just save it for you. So only until the bar starts to go down do you come in there. So as a spotter, you got to be aware, right? But you don't want to be that person that is like this. That is like, you got this, you got it, but it's like, you stab my face. I have this, okay? So you don't have to be here, right? It's like this. Alright, so we got our heavies. We got our heavy starts. So let's do this. Well, you're going to do that over here. You're going to do 5 reps of the end bar. No, not that. Not that. Let's get you another bench. You got another bench? No. Oh, no one really has one. You grab a barbell. Okay? Alright guys. Here we go. Once again, you're going to have 2 minutes. It's plenty of time to switch people, then add weight. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Firm foundation. Get over there. A barbell. Okay, that's plenty of time to work out, but I mean, only one every 2 minutes. One rep every 2 minutes. Alright, we're just trying to establish some good principles with the bench press. We're going to see this movement again. Good principles. Now, what you need now is to get on the bench. Go! Second set. right? Yeah. Let's go shoulder blades down, up, security. Yeah. So that way you're not trying to do that. Yeah, it looked like it was a little hot. You got it. You're good.